بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الكريم سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Today's meeting is not about how to do anything. It's just today's meeting is not going to learn anything. But the only thing we're going to do is that we're going to just learn how to, we're just going to learn how to use the website islamicinstitute.tk that I created. So let me just share my screen. Here you go, you can see it mostly. So, oh yes, we open tab in Google Chrome or whatever. It's you go to https://islamic www.islamicinstitute.tk. That's where we go. So this is what you're gonna see. It's not gonna be exactly like this because I'm bringing updates regularly into this website. So it's not going to be exactly like it, but it's going to be a bit like it. So you have three options: home, about, contact, and login. This is the home. It's the normal one. It's the one you see. About is this. Download about is going to give you a downloadable file. Okay, so that's what's going to give you. And contact is going to give you a small button. You click send us a message, and it's going to open your default mail application on which you have default. For iOS, it's going to be mail. It's going to open your default mail application, and as said in the instructions over here, use your Islamic Institute email. I'm going to first choose which email to send my thing from, and then I can easily send my email from there. So that's how to do the email in Islamic Institute. So the next one is login, which is the main thing. Without it, you're not able to do anything. You need to have the Islamic Institute login. You need to have an account in order to log in. So I'm going to use my Islamic Institute login. There we go. So you have these options and watch videos in private. Options: open Teams web app, join MS Teams meeting, and log out. So if I click open Teams web app, it's going to open my web app from Microsoft Teams on that tab. But after this video, right now, it's going to open a new tab for it. Join MS Teams meeting. So you click this and it's going to join whatever meeting there is. Okay, but there isn't any right now. And log out. It's going to log you out. Okay, so now let me just enter my things again. Here we go. If you get it wrong, it's incorrect. Okay, it says incorrect. So here we go. Watch videos in private is just once you click that button, it's going to open a new tab for you. And this is private, so you get all the videos here. Okay, we haven't uploaded much, but you get most of the videos you get here. Okay, this video which you're watching right now is going to be at the home screen. It's going to be here somewhere, or it's going to be here, rather wherever place. And the good thing is that you don't need to switch tabs in order to get it. Okay, you can just be, for example, I'm in my Microsoft Teams for my school, and I can open videos and I can watch whatever I want. A filter option isn't working right now. We will fix it in the future, inshallah ta'ala. These are our teachers, and we will improve this too. So once that's done, I can there. So there's a contact, so I can close this one. So this is your name is going to be up here. And inshallah ta'ala, I will bring an update that shows your name, Salam, and then your name, whatever it is, Shayan, Omar, Ahmed, Hamza, whatever your name is, it's gonna show it up here. And if you want to log it out, you can just click log out. There you go. Who am I? It takes you exactly to the same place. It takes you to about in the same tab. Okay, it takes you about. This is about, and this is who am I. Okay, you want to download this cool picture of Surah Tawbah and Surah, I think so. I don't know which one I still need to include it. You want to download this cool picture? You can just click on it. You can just click on it, and I'll download it for you. There, it's going to download it for you. If you just click on the picture, it's going to download the picture for you. Okay, and there's that icon here in the khutbahs. I will turn my camera on so you will be able to see me and my icon. So you will be able to see me with the icon in my background. And I'll also send everyone a downloadable link for that, inshallah ta'ala. So that was the class for today. That was what we got today. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Learn from it. You can always send us messages. The search option over here isn't working right now, and just notice something. All our input type, all our boxes where we write stuff are all green, and the font is blue, right? So anyway, this isn't working right now, so if I write, it will work inshallah ta'ala, but not now. Okay, I hope you like this. See you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.